Quick mic testing. How are you all? If you can hear me, write it down. At the same time, don't forget to let me know if you can hear me or not. Okay. Thank you guys for joining today's live. Good morning and good evening, Bruno. How are you, brother? Rodrigo, good evening, brother. I miss you. Hey, how are you, brother? Where are you? I'm here, brother. Charlotte, I'm here, brother. Hey, MK, how are you, brother? Rain, how are you, brother? I'm fine. Thanks for asking, brother. Prashant, how are you, brother? FX, hey, brother. Sound is good. Thank you. Thank you for confirming that everything's cool. I'm gonna start. You can see I got 5030 subscriber today. I'm gonna start from 30 subscription. Oh man, I'm just growing. So let me go to the daily chat first. Okay. Hey Martin, good afternoon, brother. Good afternoon, hobby guy. Thank you for clearing that loud and clear. Hello, bro. Hello, bro. Hello. Hey, Glenn. How are you, brother? La, Letitia. Good evening, brother. Leah was a good run from 50% of the CE New Week opening gap. Yeah, I can see it. We had a news at around 8:30, so maybe that was the run for from there. But I'm not interested to take any kind of entry today until tomorrow afternoon. No, not interested to take entry. I'm in my main account. If I push my account, push my button, I will push it to show you only that why I told you not to push the button before NFP news day. Okay, if I push my button, it will be only for to show you, to prove you that why you should not push your button before NFP. There is no other reason. Okay, I took some. Okay, it's okay, brother, sister. Prashant, thank you, brother, for congratulating me for 5K. Yeah, I'm happy, man. Zensi, how are you, brother? Mac, how are you, man? At the same time, I'd love to show you before starting, okay? At the starting point, I'd love to show it to you. Okay, videos, no, not this playlist. I had a plan actually. I thought that if I ever touch 5,000 subscription, then I will start from the beginning. How you will trade or how you will start your trading. So it's you can say this is mentorship. If you want to, I will just remember. Give the title mentorship of that playlist. Here I'm gonna put some videos so that you can have full guidelines. Okay. Now I write it down for full guidelines for beginners, but actually I don't know is it helpful for new pro traders as well. I don't know. Okay, but I will keep putting some video over here until I finish it, and every video will be one step. Over here I have just explained what you should do around Saturday or Sunday, and I try to make it clear what you have to do, how to do the weekly analysis. Every Sunday I do that, so if you are interested you can join me in Sunday. It will be easier for you to understand this video. Okay, so I will actually continue this video if I get response from here. Okay, if I don't get any response, maybe I will stop. Otherwise I will keep putting the video over here. So new folder or new playlist. Don't forget to comment below that video. Okay, if you watch that video, just comment below the video if you think that I should add something else or I should remove something. Like if I talk too much irrelated subject or something, you have to let me know that, and that have to be the true opinion. So you have to give me your true opinion, and please don't ignore this. This is the first video, maybe little messy, but please just comment below that video if I need to improve something or if I have to cut something from the video. Then next video I will make that like that way. I tried to make it little smaller, but it's little longer. You can see 25 minutes. I have no idea how to make it more smaller. I tried my level best. So yeah, that's all in short. Okay, I hope you will understand my situation over there. Mac, I'm fine. Thanks for asking, brother. How are you? You can demo that on a demo account, no problem. Rain, I would love to go with my real account. If I take some loss, it can be maximum $500. So in my big account, $500 loss is nothing. So yeah, that's all. I'll just go with a small loss. Okay, just one contract. I will try. If I see anything that obvious, then I will go one contract. Just to show you that why you should not trade before NFP. Good bro, congrats on the 5K. Thank you, Jency. Rain, good video. I've watched it already. Nice starting point. Thank you, Rain. Just comment below that video. I mean, whatever your expression, just write it down over there. Okay, that will be easier for me and for the new viewers as well. So they will get some, confidence that no, this guy is maybe useful. You understand. Anash, congratulations on the 5K subscribers. You deserve it. Thank you, Anash. Caesar K, hello. Hey Caesar, how are you, brother? Sivastun, hey brother, how are you, man? Over here, I'm gonna remove this sell side liquidity, or I will keep it over here. Okay. If you were with me in my what to say, I mean Sunday analysis when I was doing the weekly analysis, I told that my weekly target is here. That is my weekly target. So please watch that on. And I told that I'm expecting something like that until that high, relatively equal highs. Then I went to the narrative, the very next candle, very next art, I draw this, something like that. So this is Monday, and here this is the Monday candle. If you see a very nice accumulating candle, then this is the Tuesday or the manipulation. Market went lower, then Wednesday expansion, Thursday continuation of the expansion, Friday will be reset. So Friday will be tomorrow. So we will get the reset, I believe, some kind of PO3. That was the weekly analysis for this week. So far I was right, and I believed my weekly analysis. That's why I was bullish. Whole week I was bullish. After Tuesday, actually Tuesday, I was thinking that market is not going to take the Monday low, but it went much more lower. When it came to that entry fair value gap, I told that okay, it's done. The lower run, it should go higher. If the entry fair value gap is broken, then it can reach until the last fair value gap from 15 minute chart. Okay, that was little confusing over there, but it is what it is. I'd love to come here in hourly chart. From hourly chart, just forget about all of this fair value gap. So I'm gonna remove them. In hourly fair value gap, I have marked this relatively equal highs, if you remember, and here there is some relatively equal highs, and finally this extreme high. Okay, so that was my target from the hourly chart. I don't have to spend much more time over there because 15-minute chart is much more clear. Now over here in 15-minute chart, first I will say that yeah, still I'm bullish until this buy side liquidity. I'm bullish. I'm not sure that market is going to take that buy side liquidity today or not, but overall this buy side liquidity and that buy side liquidity can be triggered today. Okay, so that two buy side liquidity is still my target. Here this buy side liquidity has taken already. Over here this new week opening gap has broken already. Everything is done, but before that I would love to talk about this, all of this random level. Over here this is the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. This is the entry fair value gap. Market came here. How did it came? Look at this run. Why did it came? Entry fair value gap. Why that is the entry fair value gap? This is the last fair value gap. This is the entry fair value gap. Price came here to that entry fair value gap, went one more time to the entry fair value gap. Then it went lower. It broke. How far it went? To the entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart. It came here. Then market went higher little bit. Exactly where did it came? Here. This is that entry fair value gap. Market came here to that entry fair value gap. Come back again one more time. This entry fair value gap or that last fair value gap. There is the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. So to candle closed below the last fair value gap, I will say that this is a fake breakout because one candle closed the last fair value gap, then the very next candle closed above or inside the last fair value gap. So if you would love to mark the entry fair value gap, retest, no problem. Or if you would love to mark the last fair value gap from that leg, you can mark that as well. Okay. Then market went higher. What was what we have here, last fair value gap from hourly chart. I just closed it from my chart. Instead of that, I marked the 15-minute last fair value gap over there. But there was the last fair value gap from hourly chart. Why I marked the last fair value gap? Because the price action over here was messy, absolutely messy price action. Now, if you really would love to mark the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart, obviously you can do that. You can see this candle high, that candle low. There is a very small fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap to that leg, but still this is very small, so I don't count them as my last fair value gap. I don't count them. That's why I went to hourly fair value gap. Then market came back again. What did it came? Last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. This is the entry fair value gap. First market came to the entry fair value gap, went little higher, broke again. Where did it came? Last fair value gap, went higher. Where did it go? Last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Respect, come back again, respect, come here. Where did it came? Last fair value gap, entry fair value gap, entry fair value gap, went higher, went little lower, broke, boom, taken the buy side liquidity. How far it reached? To that last fair value gap. Why market is just gave a pause over there? Because this is the last fair value gap. Now here, just look at this candle closed. Where did it close? This candle, where did it close? Look over here. What do you see? What do you see over there? Just before, below this buy side liquidity, what do you see over here? I didn't mark that. If you mark it, you will see that pause was to that last fair value gap. Market tap to that last fair value gap one more time, went higher. This is going to be broken, the last fair value gap. The reason is market is going toward that buy side liquidity. So I'm believing that this last fair value gap is going to be broken, and I will see if it can use as a support or not. I will look after that support, something like that. So far, this is the last fair value gap and the entry fair value gap. Now, when you will think that this is the reaction from here, this is the reaction and this is the reversal. It came to this last entry fair value gap. This is the reversal, and this was the reaction. This was the reaction. This is the reversal. See over here, market came lower, higher, boom, reversal from entry fair value gap. This is the reaction. Market went lower. This is the reaction. Why this is reaction? Why this is reversal? It depends on your liquidity. I will explain all of this reaction and reversal to my drawn liquidity video, when you should expect the reaction and when you should expect the reversal. I will explain that to my draw on liquidity video. I believe that I will post that either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I mean Saturday. Okay, Saturday I will post that draw on liquidity video. Over there you will understand when you will expect some reaction and when you will expect some reversal. I believe that after that video, lot of things will be clear about the last fair value gap and the entry fair value gap. So over here, market came to this last fair value gap one more time, 2-3 times it came, then it broke.